Welcome once again to my channel Planet Bio, where I discuss the topics of NEET, especially NEET. This is highly specialized for NEET aspirants, and the chapter is going to be the second chapter of biology textbook NCERT 11, biological classification. Biological classification. Biological classification. The question is, how can we classify or group plants and animals into certain categories for better studies? And three things are done: identification, nomenclature, and classification. We have studied or we have dealt with the process of identification and classification in previous episode. Now, you must note down that a study of classification of living organisms is done under a particular branch of science, and that is called taxonomy. Taxonomy means a study of nomenclature and classification of living organisms. Taxonomy. Taxonomy. The study of naming and grouping of living organisms, or the study of nomenclature and classification of living organisms. Now, father of the man who established, father of, you can say, classical taxonomy is Aristotle, the Greek philosopher, the man who first classified the organisms into two categories, Anyma and Enyma. Anyma means the animals without red blood, and Enyma means the animals with red blood. And Enyma was further categorized into ovipara and vivipara. Ovipara means egg laying, and vivipara means baby producing, or the organisms which produce or give birth to young ones. So, classical taxonomy, father of classical taxonomy, Aristotle. The man who added glory and some recent modifications, father of modern taxonomy, is none other than Carolus Linnaeus. He was the Swedish biologist, Carolus Linnaeus. And father of Indian taxonomy, Santa Pau. Santa Pau. So credit goes to these scientists for identifying, classifying, and naming plants and animals. Father of classical taxonomy, Aristotle; father of modern taxonomy, Carolus Linnaeus; and father of Indian taxonomy, Santa Pau. Now, boys and girls, as you know, that there are certain levels of classification, units of classification, which we call out as taxa, and the singular is taxon. We start with the species, then genus, then family, then class, then order, then class, then phylum or division, and finally kingdom. So now we have to discuss kingdom system classification. Now we need to know about kingdom system classification. And first it began with two kingdom system classification, and this was given by Linnaeus. Only Plantae and Animalia, plants and animals. Now more groups were added. So three kingdom system classification was given by Haeckel, Ernst Haeckel. We have to write title only. And four kingdom system classification was given by Copeland, and five kingdom system classification came into existence, and it was given by Whittaker. And nowadays six kingdom system classification has been introduced, and that is given by Carl Weiss and his co-workers. So this is going to be the most recent one. But not most accepted. The most accepted one is Whitaker's five kingdom system. Five kingdom system is the most accepted one throughout the world, and it includes five kingdoms. First one we can write Monera, then we can write Protista. After that we can write, this is one Monera, second one Protista, third one you can write fungi, or people say fungi, singular is fungus, and fourth one you can write plantae, and the fifth one Animalia. The most recent one, the sixth kingdom system classification given by Carl Weiss, but the most accepted one is the five kingdom system classification given by Whitaker, and the most accepted system, that is the Whitaker's five kingdom system classification, includes kingdom Monera, then kingdom Protista, then kingdom Fungi or Fungi you can say, and then kingdom Plantae, and then kingdom Animalia. So we have to study each one in detail, but here Carl Weiss mentioned domain, a new term, domain. So three domains were there and six kingdoms there. We have to study in detail in the next phase of our studies, but we need to study Monera, Protista, Fungi, Plantae and Animalia in detail. Each and every kingdom would be dealt with its occurrence, with its structural organization, with its mode of reproduction, mode of nutrition as well, and we will study in detail in the next episode. So keep enjoying our lectures, and hope that you will find it much beneficial. Good luck and God bless you. See you in next episode.